Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Today we're doing some chicken wings that are gonna knock your socks off. I'm doing them over here on my pellet smoker, but you could do this in any kind of smoker. Offset, stick burner, Weber kettle, drum smoker. You just wanna get it set to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm using the Weber Pitmaster blend. But before I can get them in the smoker, I wanna build a rub, and then I'm gonna show you guys a really simple vinegar sauce. If you like vinegar sauces, you're gonna like this. Let's start with this rub. This is my chicken wing or poultry seasoning. It goes really good on chicken wings. It starts with 1 cup of salt. This seems like a lot, but this is gonna last you a long time. It's not just for the wings today. And to that, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of coarse grind black pepper. And then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder to that. And then 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of Greek seasoning. Make it a big tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Give it some nice color. And 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And then you're gonna combine it. The best way to combine rubs is with your hands. So you can feel around, get any clumps out, and then you don't have any dishes to wash. So get it really nice and incorporated. And you can see how awesome that looks. I wish you could smell it. It's really incredible, especially with that Greek seasoning in there, the cumin, chipotle powder. Okay, so this is your poultry rub. Put this in one of your empty rub containers that you bought from the store. And so this is good to go. We're gonna put it on our chicken here in a second. You're gonna thank me once you try this. Trust me, it is excellent. So let's get these chicken wings open. And this is 2 packages. They're about 2 pounds a piece. And these are the whole wings. And then I'm gonna hit them up with a little bit of this spray butter. It's just gonna give our rub something to stick to. It might crisp up the skin of the wings a little bit, but generally, when I smoke chicken wings, it's really hard to get crispy skin, so I'm not counting on it. And then I'm just gonna take my hand and grab some rub. Season these liberally. Flip them all over so we can get the other side. And then do the same thing. Spray them with the spray butter. Mix this rub up pretty good so we get those herbs in there. And just sprinkle it over top. And I'm gonna let these sit for about a half an hour in the refrigerator. Give that salt some time to kind of work its way down through the skin. So half hour in the refrigerator. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you this really simple vinegar sauce. You're gonna like this. And it's just 2 ingredients. So we're gonna go 3/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Now just kind of use your common sense here. If you don't like vinegar, you're not gonna like this. This is straight vinegar. And then to that, add your favorite store-bought rub. But here's the one catch. You want to make sure that sugar is the first or second ingredient in that rub. We need the sugar in there to help balance this out. And for that, it's going to be 1/4 of a cup of your favorite rub. So get that in there. Mix it really good. And then if you have a squeeze bottle, pour it in there. This will last in your refrigerator for months. Then you can put the lid on, keep it cold, and then anytime you want to use it, take it out of the refrigerator, just put your finger over the top, give it a little shake, and you're ready to go. Now this will go really, really good with the rub that we made for those chicken wings. If you don't like vinegar sauce, just skip this, and you can use a different kind of sauce, which will still be really good on these. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes to put the wings in the smoker. And it's been about a half an hour, so let's get this door open, Remember, I've got it set to 275 degrees Fahrenheit today. If you wanted to cut these up now, you could. You could leave them whole. I do find it easier to cut them after they've cooked, and nobody's ever complained when I've given them a whole wing. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna put them all down directly on the grate, and we're gonna let these go until they reach a minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can actually go a lot higher than that. A lot of times I'll go all the way up to 185 degrees, but it'll be up to you after 165 how much longer you want them to go. Do you want the skin to get a little crispier? So that's the way we're gonna play this today. We'll be back in about an hour, and right now I do not have any water in this pan, but I'm gonna put just a little bit so I don't get a grease fire in here. All right, so we'll be back in about an hour. And it's been exactly 1 hour. Let's get this door open, see how those wings are looking. Woo! Smells incredible. They're looking good, looking real good actually. Let's check the temperature, see how we're doing. I'm guessing they gotta be done. You can see the clear juice coming right out of them. So this one here is at 169 in the drum. Let's check the flat on this guy. 164. So we're close. What I'd like to do now, I'm gonna take them out just for a minute, get them in a bowl, and toss them in our vinegar sauce. And I'm just gonna do half at a time because they're not all gonna fit. Give that bottle a shake. And we're gonna go light. It does not take a whole lot. I'm just gonna give them a little bit of color. That little pop or punch of vinegar flavor is gonna go really, really good with that rub. Just toss them around. And then we're gonna put them back in the smoker to finish off. Probably for about 10 minutes or so. Get just a little bit more on these guys. Look at that, that just looks so good. The seasoning on there, you can see the pepper and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna put these back in the smoker for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna bring out the other ones, do the same thing. Then we'll come back, cut into one, and see how they taste. And the smoked chicken wings are done, right on time. I'm hungry, ready to eat. Come on in, take a close look at these. Beautiful, nice light rub on here. When you bite into this chicken, you should taste the meat, then the seasonings and the vinegar, then the smoke. Just a real light smoke. I'm gonna cut into one of these real quick and let's get a bite. All right. Just come right through here. Cuts nice and easy, right at the joint. Are you a wing or a drumstick person? I'll take either one, but for this taste test, we're gonna go with this one first. Beautiful color. Here we go. Man, the smells are awesome. I know it's gonna taste good. Here we go. So soft, packed full of flavor. I mean, it's got a nice bite to it. Man, that is really, really good. I think this is probably my favorite chicken wing I've ever smoked. Let me get another bite. That is clean off the bone. The vinegar sauce is not overpowering. It only complements the rub and the smoke and all those flavors. You're gonna love it. Plus, you're gonna get a whole bottle of that to keep in the fridge for other stuff. Goes great on pulled pork sandwiches, any kind of smoked meat, really. And hey, if you like the kind of food we're putting out here, hit that subscribe button right there, and definitely check out one of those two videos right there, and I'll see you over there. Get after a wing on this one.